Hello and welcome to the Pharmacy Informatics Professor 2020 with your host, Dr. Armin Smonian. In this Journal Club episode, I would like to focus in on a news magazine article that was written recently in the AACP journal that talks about digital health. We've talked about digital health before. It's also known as mobile health or consumer health. And I was excited to see this article written about teaching digital health in pharmacy school. So let's bring up the presentation and talk about this topic. So this was published in Academic Pharmacy Now, and that is the news magazine of the American Association of Colleges of Pharmacy. So this is the main professional organization for pharmacy school faculty. And they have this article on diving into digital health. And they talk about digital health in terms of capitalizing on three things: remote patient monitoring, mobile health wearable sensors, and digital therapeutics. Now, they mentioned that this is a relatively brand new area, and they say that it's not really pharmacy informatics 2.0, but a whole different topic area. But I would argue that this is part of pharmacy informatics 1.0, something that I've taught in pharmacy school before. And I think it's just the next wave of technology applied to the medication use process, and something that's new and exciting, and I agree should be taught in pharmacy school. This was spurred by an FIP report. This is the International Pharmaceutical Federation, and they wrote a report on digital health and pharmacy education, and that's what pushed AACP to write their article. So they talk about incorporating digital health topics into the curricula of pharmacy schools. And here are some examples of how we might do this. So in our therapeutic psych course, then we would talk about one of the topics we've had in a previous episode, which is the SMART pill. And we know the first one is aripiprazole, and this is Abilify MySite. And so this could be a discussion within the therapeutics course. When we get into endocrinology and we talk about diabetes, we can talk about the Dexcom G6. This is an application that was promoted by Nick Jonas on a Super Bowl ad. This is something that does continuous blood glucose monitoring that can be read from a sensor or smartphone, and then that information can be uploaded and shared with a clinician. And then when we have our therapeutics in pulmonology, we can talk about this digital inhaler, and this is the ProAir Digihaler. And this is an application that monitors the patient, their inhalation airflow, and then it also tracks every time the cap is open. It basically counts it as an administration, and so a lot of good information that again can be uploaded and shared with the clinician. So this is the concept of digital health being taught in pharmacy school. Now, I believe that it can be incorporated into existing pharmacy informatics courses if those are available at the school. And if not, if HIT or pharmacy informatics concepts are being taught throughout the curriculum, integrated into the curriculum, then you can follow what AACP has laid out in this article and talk about the different technologies as we go through our different courses and the different technologies apply within that course. So if you agree with this concept and this was a good area that provoked some thought on what should be taught in pharmacy school, then please like the video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll thank you for that. And in the meantime, stay safe, stay healthy, look after the health of others. I'll continue to work on more Journal Club and other episodes, and I hope to see you next time. Take care.